AlignUI, great component library I use in projects. Let's rebuild this landing page with Claude Code. First, enable Figma MCP so Claude can read the design directly. Claude, build this landing page from the Figma file. Not bad for a first pass. Hero section is close, but the spacing needs work. And these animations aren't there yet. Refine the layout, add scroll animations, match the original's polish. Same design, built with conversation, not clicks.